Here's a mistake that trips up Python beginners: using multiple if statements when they really need elif. This simple choice changes how your code executes. The key difference is that elif creates mutually exclusive branches. When you chain if, elif, and elif together, Python checks them in order and executes only the first matching block. Once a condition is true, Python skips all remaining elif and else clauses. This ensures only one branch runs, no matter how many conditions might technically be true. Multiple if statements work completely differently. Each if is independent, so Python evaluates every single condition regardless of the others. If multiple conditions are true, all their blocks will execute. This is powerful when you need multiple actions, but dangerous when you expect only one thing to happen. There's also an efficiency angle. With elif, Python stops checking conditions after the first match. With multiple ifs, Python evaluates every condition even after finding a true one. When your conditions are mutually exclusive, elif is both clearer and faster. Let's see a concrete example with grade calculation. If you use multiple if statements, a score of 95 would incorrectly match both A and B conditions, overwriting your grade. With elif, once the A condition matches, Python skips the rest. The student correctly gets an A. This pattern applies anywhere you have distinct categories: HTTP status codes, user role permissions, or menu selections. Bottom line, use elif when conditions are mutually exclusive and only one should execute. Use multiple ifs when conditions are independent and you might need several to run. Master this distinction and you'll write cleaner, bug-free Python. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.